Super weather.
Good Thursday morning. I'm meteorologist Brooke Martell. Mild conditions today west of the mountain communities, and today is kind of the start of a cooling trend that will take us through the weekend, but we still have that extreme heat warning over the desert region. It's set to expire this evening, and like I said, cooler temperatures heading into your weekend. There's even that chance for some patchy drizzle in the overnight and morning hours. If you're heading to the coast today, we also have that beach hazard statement still in effect through 10 p.m. We're talking wave heights up to about 6 feet and still the strong rip current. So please be careful. Check in with a lifeguard if you have the beach day planned because of these conditions. You can see for Oceanside this morning, we have mostly cloudy skies. The sun will start to filter through those clouds close to about 10 o'clock. Better chances by this afternoon, but you can see the temperature is not bad at all. I mean, we're really hovering right around those mid 60s even throughout this morning. And again, with that high rip current risk, the wave heights from 3 to 6 feet, water temperature from the mid 60s. Now here's a look at the inland valley communities. Again, with the cloudy skies this morning, by about 10 o'clock, start to see more of the sunshine. Upper 60s by that time, upper 70s as we head into that 1 o'clock hour. Over your desert region, this is where we have that extreme heat warning in effect until 8 o'clock. I'm talking temperatures over the desert region from about 110 degrees or up to 110 degrees. So the heat risk is certainly there, even though it's the desert region. We're used to conditions like that. You just want to make sure you're limiting your time outside, really between, I would say, even between 9 a.m. and about 5 p.m. Daytime highs are looking like this, upper 60s to the low 70s at the coast. Like I said, a little bit more mild, and even over your inland valley communities, mid 70s up to about the mid 80s. In some cases, trending slightly below the seasonal average today when we start to see those temperatures right around those mid to upper 70s, because now we're officially in the summer season. And you can see here over the desert, or the mountain communities, we have 70s and 80s. We're up to about 105 for Borrego Springs, but like I mentioned, those daytime highs could peak around 110. I want to talk about what we can expect as we head into tomorrow. But before we get to that, you could see that we have those onshore winds for your Thursday morning heading into the afternoon. They start to pick up more over the mountains and the desert region, even gusty there at times. I'd say anywhere from 25 up to 45 miles per hour, a bit stronger over the deserts. This is going to be a factor going into the coming days because we have a trough of low pressure to our north that's going to be influencing our conditions, especially when it comes to those cooler daytime highs. But you can see heading into tonight, early tomorrow morning, we see the return of that marine layer up and down the coastline here. This could be enough to produce some drizzle, some mist for us, a trend that continues again through the weekend into Saturday, even Sunday. But here is a look at your 10-day forecast. You can see those temperatures drop off just a little bit at the coast. It means some low 70s, and we're back to some mid 70s for the inland valley communities. I think that's where you're going to feel more of a difference with this cool down in comparison to where we are today to where we could be by Sunday, even into early next week. Here is a look at the 10-day forecast for your mountain communities, also cooling down, getting out of the 70s and 80s, back to some 60s for the upcoming weekend. The desert region also getting a break from the heat, much needed break, getting away from those temperatures close to about 110. We're looking at those daytime highs to be hovering right around those low 90s by the end of your weekend. Have a great day.
Don't forget your umbrella.